Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome back to my channel Neetu Bansal official. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then do click the red color subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribed button so that you will get notified whenever I'll upload any of my next videos. The subscription is totally free. So guys, today I will be sharing this makeup look. This is a sweatproof, waterproof makeup look that I am wearing today. So guys, if you are interested, then please keep on watching. First of all, I will be applying a moisturizer that is a Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. And now the Lakme Absolute Love Perfect Makeup Primer to prime my skin. Now I will be using this peach shade to color correct my skin in case of any uneven skin tone I have. And now I am using the damp sponge and using the setting spray to this damp sponge so that the makeup stays much better onto my skin. Now I am using this damp sponge with the setting spray into it and using the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. Just because it is a waterproof makeup, so I am using this foundation. You can use any other foundation which has more coverage or which has more staying power. Now I am using this Maybelline concealer to highlight my under eye areas and some of the areas that I need to highlight. This is in the shade Sand. Now the Colorbar Airbrush Finish Loose Powder to set my face. This is in the shade Beige Classic. Just push the product onto your skin, not drag it, so that the excess powder is being soaked by the sponge and the powder that is necessary onto your skin, only that amount is present onto your skin. Just because this is summer, so I am going to set my whole face. Use a damp sponge to set your face and it will soak any excess powder from your skin. Only the powder that is required remains onto your skin. Now do one thing, spray the setting spray onto your skin and blot it with the tissue. In this way, there is no extra powder that remains onto your skin. Now this is a smudge proof waterproof makeup that you can wear without any hesitation in any summer days. Now I am using the Makeup Revolution Blush, Brighten and Bronze palette. Now coming to the eyes, I will be using the Makeup Revolution bronze shade all over my crease. Now I will be using this golden shade using my ring finger onto my eyelid. This golden shade from the Lakme 925 Eye Quartet in the shade Desert Rose. I am creating a V using this bronze shade. Now I am using the L'Oreal Paris Gel Intenza eyeliner in the shade Black Brilliance using the Real Techniques eyeliner brush. I am going to create a very thin eyeliner onto my upper lash line using this eyeliner brush. This is the Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Regal Green, which I am going to apply onto my lower lash line and smudging it a little bit too. I am using the Colorbar brush to smudge it out a little bit. So as to give it a little bit of smoky like effect. Now I am going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara to complete the eye look. This is the waterproof version. So guys, this is a finished eye look. To fill in my brows, I am using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in the shade Ash Brown. This is a long wearing eyebrow powder that I am using to fill in my brows. Now I am using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour to contour my face. Now a little bit of nose contouring. I am using this pink colored powder blush onto my face. Now I am going to wet my brush to highlight the high points of my face. I am going to use this highlighter to highlight my face. Now I am using the Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Matte in the shade Victorian Rose. This is a long wearing matte lipstick. guys, in the last I am using the Colorbar setting spray to set my face. Let it air dry, and this is the finished look. This is a waterproof, sweatproof makeup that you can wear at any time, in the day or at the night. I hope that you like the video. So guys, if you like the video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.